Hello again. Today it is the first day of our betting journey. It is the 8th of September 2020 and the bets I have picked are for tomorrow, the 9th of September. As you can see, we start with a bankroll of 1000 Swedish crowns or 100 euros, and in 36 winning bets or winning steps, we will have 2039 kroner. I ran the AI software today and I got some matches. I filtered them out and came up with 4 bets for tomorrow. A match from Chinese Super League, a match from the Brazilian Serie A, and 2 matches from the Japanese J1 League. Because of coronavirus, the league that I follow and I can have a legit analysis are not many. There are Allsvenskan in Sweden, Brazilian Serie A and B, the Chinese Super League, the Japanese J1 League, NBA, and Veikkausliiga. So the first bet for tomorrow, I pick the home team to win from this match, Guangzhou versus Shenzhen, and over 1 goal in the match. That gives me 1.53. Then I pick the away team to win in this Shanghai versus Shandong. So if you multiply those 2 bets, they give us 2.47. So I go to the first tab, as you can see over here, and I put it at odd 1 at this cell, and then it gives me 13.61. So I take this amount of money and put it in here. So this is my total stake, and if I win, it gives me 33.71. So you can see here that if you multiply the stake by the odd, it gives you 33.61 or 71. So the amount of money that we're gonna have, the profit, will be 20 kroner. So the second bet is this one. So we pick the home team again between Internacional and Ceará from Brazil, and over 1 goal in the match. So I use Bet Builder to do that. So it gives me 2. Then I also pick the home team, Sao Paulo versus Bragantino, 1.83. So if you multiply those 2, they give us 3.66. So I put this on the second tab. So as you can see, the second tab starts with a bankroll of 1020. So it's like the second step. I put a 366, which is the accumulator from this bet, and it gives me that I should bet 7.67. So if we win, we're gonna have 2020 plus 20.4, 2%. Then we go on a third bet. So it's Kawasaki against Vissel. So we pick again the home team, and here we pick over 2 goals in the match, so it means 3 and more. And then we bet also in the home team Oita versus Sonan, gives us 2. So if we combine those, it gives us 3.33. We go to the third tab, and you see that it's the bankroll is 1040. It's like having won those 2 first bets, and we are on the third step. So if we win, we'll be 2040 plus 2%. So we put those 3.33 and it gives us 8.93. So then we have the fourth bet for today. You can see that I picked the home team San Francese Hiroshima versus Shimizu, 165. And then home team again, Cerezo Osaka against this team, 190. So if we combine those two, 315. So we put the 315 into the fourth tab, the fourth step, and it gives us 9.87. So this is 9.87. So here at the first tab, which is called main data, this is like the logbook that we write down all the bets that we do. So you can see the 4 bets that we made: the first tab, the second, the third, and the fourth, and those are done here: first, second, third, fourth. They are active right now, so this is the amount of money that we staked, the odds that we picked for this specific bet, and this is the date, 9th, and this is the current bank. So you see we started with 1,000 kroner, and then those are like we have them lost. So if instead of active we change them to win, this goes to 1020. If we win 2, or if we lose that, or if we win, this thing changes here, and instead of active it goes to wins. So the goal is the wins here to be the same as those 36. So on the 36th win we will have our bankroll doubled. So now we expect tomorrow to see the results. In case, let's say, we win number 3 and 4, we don't go to number 5 or 6. We have to win the top 1 or 2. So let's say we lose this one. We need to win one of the following steps in order to proceed to number 5 or 6. So let's say we lose that, then the second step will be 2050, for example. If we win this, then we will go to the 5th step or the 6th, and go on. So see you tomorrow with the results and the upcoming bets. Let's hope for the best.